It is alleged that 5,120 Jamaicans shall be deported back to Jamaica. And when I look into it, I say, yeah, I saw it go. But I hope the number no climb. And the reason for that, maybe 99% of those people have nothing back home. Maybe some of them never built a home and them never do any form of investment at Jamaica. Some of them maybe don't even have an account. Some of them, when them come through the airport, whether in a Kingston or a Montego Bay, they don't know where to turn. You overs. So, this is not a joke thing. Mr. Andrew Wellness, you see some of them people here where Mr. Trump has sent back to Jamaica when I have nothing. Give them some land, you know. Give them some land, make them farm, make them plant it up and plant food so that they can survive. You don't know, like we said, no, we're no better than yard. Seeing? And here what me now. You see the ones them where I go get deported where live in a city area, in a corporate area, in some concrete jungle. That is a thing, you know. If you know, say, you go back in a concrete jungle and you don't have nothing. You don't have no money at all. You don't even have a house. You know, say, you come from the community there. Maybe you head off there. How that going to work out? But anyway, tricks in trade and matches box in business. So when I say now, it's Andrew Wellness, give some of them people that some land when them reach at Jamaica, make them go plant food and chop bamboo and then something there and build up house and round tick and all them type of thing. And who can afford some plywood, buy some plywood and make them start new. Seeing? And farm up the place and do what you do. So you can have food and can live and survive. You know what I mean? Instead of going to Jamaica and you don't have food, you don't have money, you don't have a place to live, then how you going to survive? You know what I mean? It's a serious thing. So, me I advise some of the people that we are going to get deported who don't have nothing at all and don't know where to go when them reach. Get piece of land. Chop some round tick and bamboo and them thing there. Build up a little house. And farm up the place and plant food and vegetables. This is the time when the eye them have to go get creative. Yeah, man. So, that's how it go. Them say them a do them thing, them do them thing, them say them a send back people home. So it go. Seeing? So Mr. Andrew Wellness, give the people them some land when them come to Jamaica. Make them farm it up and plant it. All who want land when they go to Jamaica. Seeing? Maybe some of them have land already. But if you don't have none, check the government go to some land, man. Give them some land, Mr. Andrew Wellness, make them farm it up. So they can live and survive. Saying? One Jamaica. Shocking Morris said that.